Okay, now we're going to resolve this circuit. Here we have this branch in which we can identify a series connection between this resistor and this resistor because these are basically sharing the same point and we have no other device connected to the same point. For that reason, both resistors are in series and then can be recombined. Obtaining the simpler circuit, which is this, this is the same, we have simply combined 5 plus 5 equal 10. Okay, here we can identify 4 nodes, of course, 1, 2, 3, and ground. But we are not really interested in ground because it's the reference frame. Okay, then we have here the 3 nodes, B1, B2, and B3. Then we're gonna fill the matrix here. Okay, then we start node 1, node 2, node 3, voltage 1, voltage 2, and voltage 3, yeah, for these cases. In the case of voltage 1, we need to see how many and which resistors are connected to node B1. This is the 2 ohm resistor, the other 2 ohm resistor, and a 10 ohms resistor. Then we have 1 divided by 2 ohms, 1 divided by 2 ohms, plus 1 divided by 10 ohms. Okay, this is with respect to B1. Okay, and the next question is, do we have shared connection with other voltages? For instance, do we have a connection between B1 and B2? Yes, we have. And this connection is by means of the shared resistor of 2 ohms. For that reason, this is going to be negative 1 divided by 2 ohms. Do we have a connection with respect to voltage 3? Yes, of course, is this resistor, all this is connected here, and is shared resistor. Note that is analyzed, then we have, for that reason, also negative 1 divided by 10 ohms. Finally, do we have a source, a current entering this node? No, we haven't. Then we have here 0 amperes. Okay, let's analyze now node B2. Okay, in this case, we have 2 resistors in this node. Remember, we are in the diagonal positive. Okay, we have 2 resistors of 2 ohms connected to this node. Positive, 1 divided by 2, 1 divided by 2. Okay, next, do we have shared elements? Yeah, we have a shared element of 2 ohms, 1 divided by 2, negative, with B1. And we have other 2 ohms element connecting B2 and B3. Do we have a current entering the node? Yeah, it's entering the node, not leaving the node. Yeah, it's entering the node, and for that reason it's positive and is equal to 3 amperes. Okay, finally, we analyze node B3. We have 3 resistors connected to it, 10 ohms, 2 ohms, 4 ohms. Yeah, here we have 10 ohms, 2 ohms, 4 ohms. We have shared connections. Yeah, we have the shared connection 10 ohms with respect to B1. Here we have 2 ohms connecting B3 with B2 is here, and we have no current entering the node or even leaving the node. Yeah, not even leaving the node, then yeah, the 0 here. Okay, then this is going to be the elements. All these are the elements of the matrix. Okay, from this point, yeah, you can resolve it. If you have any question, please don't hesitate in contact me, and I am happy to resolve any of your inquiries. Thanks for watching, and GIGEM.